कसिनो ही आमची संस्कृताय न्हय. सद्याक सगळे कसिनो गोंयांतल्यान भायर काडचे अशें वैयक्तीक मत विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमाव हांणी व्यक्त केलां. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर परवरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
All these casinos, this is a sin city. I have been right from day one very vocal that this is not our culture. Under the pretext of offshore casino, they are today basically there. Some people give slogans 100 days भितर बंद करतले. केन्ना आमी मुखेलमंत्री सांगता आज they have to pay hundreds of thousands of crores of rupees. Some cases are sub judice, but they have to pay. And today another Mandovi river, if you see, is completely polluted. Completely polluted. थिंग कितें जाता ते मशीन चलताय कोण मोठा थिंगसो सुरेश थिंगा सोटाय घाण सोताय आनी कितें कोण मोठा नुस्त्या हायल्या कॅन्सर जाता मागीर पणजे आमदार मोठा कांय ना मो तशें. सो हें सगळें चोयल्यार म्हाका दिसता इट इज अ जोक. हे जे मुखेलमंत्रीन एक म्हाका दिसता अप टू मार्च 2027 तांकां एक्सटेन्शन दिलो आहा. सो हांवें मुखेलमंत्री लागीं प्रश्न केलो की तुवें मार्च तेच नंतर तूं बंद करतलो मार्चा हाडल्या न्हू ओ कुतुलो करपा ना. आनी ही परंपरा गोंयकाराची वचोन थिंगा जुगाड हाडपाचो थिंग वचोन ही परंपरा आनी बीजेपी पार्टी ही प्रमोट करता इंडिव्हिज्युअल मरे सगळे पुलिसी बोर्ड कसिनो आनी खूंय कसिनो. दिस इज नॉट द इंटरेस्ट. वी हॅव बेसिकली टर्न दिस इंटू अ सिन सिटी. Our capital city is turned into a sin city. This should stop. This is not in the interest of the state.
You are confident that in March, will 2027 will be forming government. So after forming government, you will be removing all the facilities out of Mandali.
See, I will tell you, we have a common minimum program that I will not just shoot in the air. Okay, this common minimum program will be brought towards the people of Goa. This common minimum program will have issues of casinos, unemployment, corruption, job scams, land scams, everything. We will be very, very clear, crystal clear on what is for Goa, what is not for Goa. When we come to power, what we will scrap and what will be retained. So we will be very, very clear. You will see in our manifesto things that are not in the interest of the state. Let me be honest. Whether how many Goans get employment within this casino, within whatever is happening, all this after having basically working out it all other, our party will come out with a manifesto, and you will see, and we will be very clear. Ki enough is enough.
So right now you are not clear about removing casino out of Mandali.
100% I am clear that it has to be removed. You are asking me about March 2027. We have to scrap them. See, you asked me about March 2027 after we come to power. That is what you ask me now. Then I will tell you. I am very clear. They have to be thrown out of the state, completely out. Not only on land. Take them away. Take them to Haryana. Take them to Bombay. Take them to Delhi. Take them there. We don't want everything.